This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening fantastics, how are you guys doing today? Hope everybody's having a great gardening day, or whatever you're doing. I hope that you are enjoying yourself and being supportive to someone else. Well, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for your time, your precious time, and your precious support. Welcome any and all new subscribers. Please stay connected. Please stay subscribed. Please support this channel by visiting, by using the thumbs up button, hitting that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget, leave comments, leave and ask questions. Thank you very, very much. Well, today, what is Miss Janita doing today? Today I am propagating a Watchchain plant. And here are my Watchchain cuttings. See that? All those little cuttings I'm going to be poking in this pot right here. Fresh soil. And hopefully I'll have a full body Watchchain plant like I used to before. It's gorgeous. First time I seen a Watchchain plant was in Sacramento. And I hadn't a clue what it was, but I knew that I loved it. And I really wanted one, and I didn't know at the time. All I needed was to get a cutting, and I will have Watchchain all over the place. So now that's what I'm doing today, is doing a little propagating gardening. And you can see my little rod here, perfect size to make a hole in the soil to put in the one of these, oops, get my hand out the way, please. To put in one of these cuttings. Let's see, where am I? Here I am. Let's push it down in the hole. I gotta do a little bit better, but I'm working with one hand. But you guys get the idea. So let me put a little bit more in here. Hold up, I'll be right back, guys. Hold up, don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Gardening fantastics, all right, I'm back. So look at here. I have went on and finished putting in all those pieces. And believe me, it was a bunch of pieces. So that my Watchchain plant, remember this is a Watchchain plant, can grow out full and bushy. Beautiful plant. If any of you have ever had a Watchchain plant, say so in the comments. Please leave comments about what's going on in your garden. What are your projects? What kind of activities you're going to be doing? And don't forget to invite me over, because I would love to watch. I love gardening. So please, please, please invite me to watch your video or whatever activities you guys have going on. But looky here, isn't it beautiful? I can't wait for this to grow out and bush up the way I want it, because then this Watchchain is so easy to propagate. I'm telling you, you just need one little piece and it will grow into a plant. And as it grows out, you can cut those pieces and, you know, like I've just shown you, and put them in the dirt, spread them out. I could put more in here. It just takes a lot of cuttings to have fuller, luscious looking plants. And remember, oh, how I struggled yesterday trying to tell you guys, the word I was really looking for is the condition. when your plants are struggling, look at the condition of your plant, and if it's drooping, leaves falling off, drying up, and if you just happen to just take it out the dirt and you see the roots are drying and dying, yep, I think it's a good idea, personally myself, to keep a diary, which I am really need to do myself, keep a diary, because I need to see what's going on. I keep diary when I do like a snake plant cutting, so I can remember what date I did it on. But as far as writing down the conditions, when I did this procedure or when I did that procedure, what happened to the plant, did it like it? It didn't care for it? Is it a high maintenance plant? I guess the high maintenance plant is a heavy feeder, meaning I guess they mean by heavy feeder, it likes to be fertilized with some good fertilizer, and more than, I don't know, I guess more than 2 times you got to fertilize it, because it likes to eat. It likes to be have its nutrition. Like I said, no expert here. I can just struggle to word what I'm trying to tell y'all, and I guess some of y'all can kind of connect the dots, or everyone can connect the dots, and to see what I'm struggling to try and tell you guys. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna watch how this plant, you know, starts to grow. I'm going to keep an eye on the condition of it. Now the Watchchain is full sun, because I had a big bushy beautiful Watchchain sitting right on the top of my that little plant stand I got on the balcony out there. Yes, I'm a balcony gardener, if some of you didn't know that, and I hope you don't leave because I just have a balcony, because some people don't like just balcony gardens. They like big acres and yards and backyards and front yards. But I have a beautiful balcony garden, and I'm so happy because some people don't even have a balcony or a patio. They have to do their gardening inside. So please don't take the no space gardeners for granted, because we can do the business as anybody with a big old giant space. We can do the same thing, just with little space, which is a work of magic, because if you can do it, you can do it. But back to this Watchchain, yeah, so if you want full plants, remember, use more cuttings, and then also try and get a diary and keep the information about your plant's condition, when you did certain things to it. Did it respond or did it not respond? And when it did respond, was it in a good way or was it in a bad way? Did the leaves start falling off? Did it droop? It was a very unhappy camper, right? So you got to keep a note of all these things going on, because if you don't have a good memory, you can't remember, you need to write stuff down. Because I'm telling you, at my age now, yeah, I'm a senior citizen. And a happy senior citizen, and hey, you got to live to get this age. Some of y'all don't take no senior citizen for granted. Now you got to get this age. You got to live, and you got to make it. But anyway, back to gardening, because I will lose and carry on about something else. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go because I don't want the video to be too long. But yeah, so this is a Watchchain plant. I propagated it, I packed it with lots of cuttings, and we shall see. Hopefully this baby makes it. And do your research, look up Watchchain, and you'll see its needs, its maintenance, its proper care, you know, what you have to do for proper care to have it survive. Or it'll be up to you with your magic fingers, your gardening fingers, to see if you do have, even if you do read up on stuff, that don't mean it gonna work. Believe me, I speak from experience. Just because you learn about something, read about something, if you don't have the person that's actually done it, you know, to give you full instructions like that, but you learn it from experience, that's how you're going to learn. Because book learning and actually physically doing is 2 different things. So happy gardening, everybody. Don't forget, get your plant diary out and start writing down your plant, you know, information, the condition of it now, and what you did trying to improve it. And if it didn't work out, write all that stuff down, because you're going to want to know when you get another plant. And remember, write down plants that are easy to propagate, because if you do go to the store and you happen to see a plant, something fell off the plant, pick that up, because you can take it home and propagate it. Don't tell them Miss Janita told y'all that. Okay, y'all, I gotta go now. Happy gardening and have a great day. Bye. Thanks for your time and support.